Good evening students. Today we will continue worksheet 1 which is based on 4 definitions which we have learnt yesterday. Once again I am reminding these definitions. Collinear points, 3 or more than 3 points when lying on the one line are called collinear points. You can see these points are collinear points. Intersecting lines, 2 lines are called intersecting lines when they cut each other. Parallel line, 2 lines are called parallel line which they do not cut each other. And concurrent lines, this is intersecting lines, only 2 points meeting when at the place of 1 point, if more than 2 points, 2 lines means suppose this is 2, so this 2 is only intersecting. If meeting 3, 4, 5, so these all lines will be called concurrent lines which we have learnt yesterday. So this is the revision. Now worksheet 1, one by one I am reading this question. You open textbook, whether it is original book or in PDF format, and you see your book. I am replying here only. Mark a point in your notebook. Solution number 1. Mark a point in your notebook marked. Draw a line passing through it. Draw a line. ठीक है, I have drawn. Draw a line passing through it. How many lines can you draw? कितना लाइन और ड्रा कर सकते हैं? Passing through this point. I have drawn 2. Can I draw more? Yes. बस 3 ही कर सकते हैं कि और कर सकते हैं? We can do more. क्या और कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can do more. तो ऐसे कितने कर सकते हैं? Many, unlimited. How many? Unlimited we can do. Unlimited number of lines. So what will be this answer? This figure and unlimited number of lines. Up you see solution number 2. What is question? Mark any 2 points in your notebook. 2 point mark करो notebook में. Draw a line passing through this both. So I have drawn one line passing through these both points. What asking? More, how many such lines can you draw passing through these 2 given points? मतलब इन दोनों पॉइंट को पास करते हुए और कितना लाइन ड्रा कर सकते हैं? कैन यू ड्रा मोर? क्या ऐसे ड्रा करेंगे? इज इट लाइन? नो, दिस इज नॉट लाइन. So passing through these 2 points we can draw only one line. How many we can draw passing through 2 points? One line. And passing through 1 point, unlimited line. So these are the examples with figure. Question number 3. पहला फिगर पूछ रहा है parallel line or intersecting line. So you can see here first, this is intersecting, ये parallel, clear cut looking, ये intersecting, this is parallel, and this is when you will extend it, it will cut. So this is intersecting. Now question number 4. Question number 4. I am reading. An orange has dash surface. Orange मतलब like this. तो orange के पास plain surface है कि curved surface? Curved surface. Surfaces are 2 type. One is plain. A plain surface है flat. और एक होता है ball shape में. That I am showing. You can see this pen. क्या ये फ्लैट सरफेस है? नहीं, दिस इज कर्व्ड. यू सी द की, दिस, ये सब कर्व्ड सरफेस है. फ्लैट सरफेस मीन्स वेयर इट इज फ्लैट. ये है, दिस इज फ्लैट, दिस इज फ्लैट, दिस बुक इज फ्लैट सरफेस. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. 100 रुपीज नोट है. 100 रुपीज नोट कैसा रहता है? फ्लैट सरफेस. डैश लाइन्स कैन पास थ्रू 1 गिवन पॉइंट. ये वाला क्वेश्चन. C question. How many lines we can draw passing through 1 point? Unlimited. D. 3 or more points in a plane which lie on the same line are called. 3 or more points in a plane which lie on the same line are called collinear. Question number E. Lines in a plane which do not meet anywhere. ये वाला this example. Lines in a plane which do not meet. So what is the example of this? This is parallel line. So answer of E is parallel line. F. Two lines which cut each other at a point are called. Two lines, दो लाइन which cut each other at a point, एक point पे काटता हो. This condition. So what is this? Intersecting line. So with the help of this figure we can fill it. So today's homework is question number 1 to question number 4. Today's homework, worksheet 1, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This you solve in your notebook.